Hey guys, and welcome back for day 5 of Stitchmas. I can't believe we're this far into it. We're almost halfway done. I'm so excited. If you noticed yesterday when I was pulling out number 4, number 5 is a big one, so I'm pretty excited to get into that. So let's get into it. Here we are with day 5. Like I said, day 5 is a big one. I'm just going to predict that I think it's going to be a project. Day 1 was a big bag, and day 1 happened to be a project. So I'm thinking project, and it's got a little bit of heft to it. So let's check it out. Oh, it does look like it's going to be a project of some sort. All right, so we've got, ooh, that's a lot of beads. 75, 15. It's a lot of beads. Oh, some more yarn. Okay. Project 2. Got some twine, it looks like. Hemp cord, actually. Alright. And some tiny pom-poms. Alright, let's see what the project is. Oh, this is cute. This looks like it's crocheted too. Deck the halls. It's a cute little garland. Oh, this I could probably handle making part of this stuff, even with my bum thumb. I'm definitely going to try and find some time over the weekend to work on this. This is cool. That would, and you know, like in general, it's just super cute. If you've got kind of a woodsy theme in your house, I mean, you could leave that up year round. It doesn't necessarily say just Christmas. That's cool though, and I bet this works up fairly fast. Now let's head over and talk about what we're adding to our ultimate yarn bag today. I have our box here. Yesterday we added the purple finger thing. Today let's talk scissors. I prefer a fold-up scissor. And these were just cheapos I got at Wish. The first pair I ever got, I got at a fancy yarn store. And to be honest, they didn't work very well. These I just bought on Wish. Now, it took forever for them to get to me, but they were super cheap, and I got multiple pairs, so I could outfit a bunch of boxes. But I think fold-up scissors are an essential. For our question of the day, what do you prefer? Do you use scissors? Do you use some other kind of yarn cutter? What do you use on the go to cut your yarn? Tell me in the comments. Until tomorrow, take care.